In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the FC Mobile 2024, no jailbreaker computer needed. So as you can see, guys, I got tons of money. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get right into the video, bro. So the first step is to go to the site called ZooMods. And once we're there, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and type in FC Mobile 2024. And as you can see, it says FC Mobile 2024 mod. So press on that and wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try it out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So yeah, it's pretty epic. It's updated and everything. So if you go to the App Store and type in FC Mobile 2024, you guys can see it is super expensive. So let me just type it in right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to type in FC Mobile, and as you can see, guys, here it is. And when you go to the in-app purchases, as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So if you want to spend money on the game, that's your business, bro. That's your style. But personally, that's not who I am. I prefer to just hack, you know. As you can see, I got tons of money, guys. So be sure to try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. As you can see, FC Mobile 2024 modded version. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super crazy, and all you gotta do is just go ahead and go to this site called ZooMods and then find the FC Mobile 2024. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So yeah, you just gotta go to the search bar and type in FC Mobile. It should come up. So I'll see you guys in another video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. As you can see, updated, and it is time to share it. So I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe, bro. Get the word out about this method. It's updated and it's time to share it with you guys. So peace out.